Hi friends, this is Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show you how to change member roles and permissions in a file sharing workspace created in Microsoft Office Groove 2007. Open Groove 2007 and log in with the Groove account. Open file sharing workspace. We can change member roles and permissions in a file sharing workspace by setting options in the workspace properties dialog box. For changing member roles, click on show properties for your root folder name in the synchronization task pane to open the workspace properties dialog box. We can also open workspace properties dialog box without opening the workspace. Select file sharing workspace in the launch bar. Come to file menu and select workspace properties, and it will open the workspace properties dialog box. Come to roles tab. Every member in the workspace is assigned a role and each role has different permissions. Select the member whose role you want to change and click on change role option. It will open the change role dialog box. Select the role you want to add to a member. Here I want to change the role from participant to guest, but for guest permissions usually restricted to read-only activities. Click on OK. After this, click on apply if you want to apply the current role changes, and we can do other activities in this dialog box, or simply click on OK to apply the changes and close the dialog box. After this, if you want to change the permissions assigned to roles in file sharing workspace, again click on show properties for root folder name under synchronization tasks, and in the workspace properties dialog box, click the permissions tab. Here for each role has its own and different permissions: invite, uninvite, cancel all outstanding invitations. For manager, if we select participant, we will get only invite permission, and for guest we don't have any permissions. Select the role for which you want to change permissions, and these default selected permissions reflect the permissions currently assigned to the selected role. Here check or uncheck the permissions to be assigned to the selected role, and after that click on apply, and then only select another role for updating, and after finishing the permissions change, click on OK. So when we restrict the permissions to members, then those new permissions will be applied for the files and folders. Now come to other members. Open the file sharing workspace. If we try to edit or modify the files, because of the limited permissions, they cannot modify the files. Here let's try to delete a file. Again, automatically we will get back the files from source file sharing. We can also control the activities that members can do with individual folders by selecting folder permissions, but the ability to change folder permissions depend on our role in the workspace. Typically, only managers are authorized to change the permission settings. Now let's try to change the permissions. Select the folder and click on show this folder's properties. Come to permissions. Since we have changed the role, they cannot modify the permissions. Again, come to the workspace with manager role. Select the folder and click on show this folder's properties. Come to permissions. Since it has a manager role, we can modify its permissions. Here check or uncheck the permissions for each selected role. After changing the permissions for one role, click on apply, and after that come to another role and change the permissions. If you are done changing permissions, click on OK. Like this, we can change member roles and permissions in a file sharing workspace created in Microsoft Office Groove 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.